Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Pixlr in your mobile devices. So Pixlr is a photo editing and graphic design tool that permits you to customize, design, and modify your pictures from animations, presentation, and collages to Instagram stories or posts. You can create a wide range of creative projects with Pixlr. So it's a very versatile app. Without any further ado, let's dive right in. First thing first, let's type into the app store, and here let's type in Pixlr and hit search. So it pops up at the very first. So let's tap in here, and now it's downloading. It may take a while depending on the internet connection, so we may have to wait for a while. Your Pixlr has been downloaded, so all you have to do is hit that open option, or you can go back and see whether it has been downloaded or not, and there you go, there's a Pixlr app. So this is how you download Pixlr. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.